Welcome to another episode of Tim Talk, where we talk shop. Today I'm with Tim Brandon and we're talking about materials. And what do you consider when you're looking for a material for a specific application?
Yeah, there's a bunch of things we consider when we're looking at material choosing for a new project. So first of all, you have mechanical requirements for the part, aka like, does it need to support a certain amount of weight, or does it have any elasticity requirements or that type of thing. Then you also have environmental considerations. So like, what is the environment this part's going to be used in? Does it need to have any heat resistance? Does it need to keep a certain amount of strength when you have it in a higher or colder temperature? And then you also have a lot of other considerations, like, does the part need to be clear? Well, if it needs to be clear, there's only certain materials we can use because some of them, they don't come in clear. Or does it need to have some kind of chemical resistance? Is it going to be containing any type of chemical that it can't be dissolved to?
Yeah, so it's incompatible with, so.
And there's just some other smaller things that we look at, some other details. You get down to like part cost as well. Some materials more expensive than another material. How much is the customer willing to pay for the part? That type of thing.
Right.
So there's a lot of different factors.
So economic factors as well. So yeah, we look at, we run over 120 different resins here with lots of different additives. And so when we look at the specific application, we really go through with the customer trying to understand the mechanical, the cosmetic, the environmental, the chemical. Where is this going to be used? How is it going to be used? How do we design the most cost-effective part for that application? So that's really what we're trying to do. So hope that's helpful. Just a little bit of an introduction, and hope you'll join us on another episode of Tim Talk.